Hello everyone, welcome back to DelftStack Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to add multiple stops on your Google Maps. What you have to do is go to your Google Maps on your desktop or mobile phone. You can see here the point direction. Click on this and now select the starting point. Just like I am selecting the George as a starting point, then I have to choose destination. So my destination would be the Cornbread Montclair. So what I have to do is to show you to add more stops in it. Here you can see the plus sign, add destination. Click on this, and now you can select some more stops here, like I just want to stop here at Egan and Sons. Just like this, you can add multiple destinations during your route. So I can select more. Like I just want to stop at Fusionista Modern. Just like this, you can also drag it and customize the route for yourself. So this is how we can just create more and multiple stops in your route on Google Maps. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorial notifications.